Welcome to today's episode of Kaleidoscope Corner. My name is Bijan, with me my co-host Melony M, and today we have with us BCBA / Clinical Director of our Rockledge facility, Miss Diana. How are you?
Hi.
It's a pleasure to have you today.
Thank you, B.
It's awesome. So we are going to be doing a 3-part video. Each part is going to be broken up into a few topics that we have for you guys today. We're going to talk about natural environment teaching. So this is going to be part 1. So what is N.E.T, Miss Diana?
So N.E.T, or also known as natural environment teaching, is when you use your surroundings to present different types of learning opportunities.
Perfect.
And what can you teach during N.E.T?
Well, it depends how creative you are. Depending on your environment, you can teach lots of different skills, such as verbal behavior, play skills, adaptive living skills. Basically anything that is in your surroundings, you can create some type of learning opportunity for that.
Well, I think she explained that pretty well. What is one example?
So one example of N.E.T is when you use it to teach verbal behavior. So if you're playing with a kid, for example, and you have a toy that they want, you can teach them to request for that.
Mm-hmm.
And if they don't know what things are called, you can teach them how to label those things. If they know how to do all of that, you can teach them how to answer questions. So, for example, if you had a car and I was working with you, I would ask you, how many wheels does the car have? And you would say 4, or I would teach you that it has 4. Or I can teach you to label things, such as, this car is red. What color is it? Red. And so just using the things in your surroundings, you can create different learning opportunities without having to prepare different stimuli or, go out of your way to prepare things.
Very nice.
That sounds like it'd be helpful too, like at home.
Yes, exactly. Natural environment teaching is really helpful for parents because if you teach them to look for the opportunities in their surroundings,
Mm-hmm.
then they can teach their kids different skills no matter where they are.
Yeah.
Great. So on behalf of myself, my co-host Melony Maldonado, and Miss Diana Carlos, who is our clinical director of our Rockledge facility, join us next time.
And if you have any more questions about N.E.T in terms of verbal behavior, please reach out to your local behavior analyst.